That guy is our salesman. Binigyan niya kami ng discounts. Bye! Galing siya sa Sri Lanka. Nakapag-souvenir na at Anggolo shop. Yeah, that guy is our salesman. Binigyan niya kami ng discounts. Bye!
Kota na siya.
Yung mga fruits din doon sa loob ng shop na to. Ayun eh.
Yeah, I don't know. There's
Apple.
fruits also. Lily Spencer.
Milano Mart.
So kung gusto pala natin ng prutas,
Ayan,
pwede
prutas.
tayo
Pasok
kumain
tayo.
dito. Do we either move our... Can we wear
Automatic sliding door. Okay. We remove the slippers? Oh no. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yung walking there yung shopping.
Oo. Di ba usapan walking lang? Shopping patuloy kami. Pero we came in because of the fruits. There's lang pa ako. Jackfruit.
Mga pagkain.
Julie's. Sabihin mo yun, Julie's Bake Shop pa talaga. But there's Julie's. May popcorn, potato, chips. Oh,
So coconut is the
di ba yung ano nila, yung native na breakfast coconut yun na may tuna? Sarap yun. Oh, masarap yun. Hello. Sarap sa coffee. Talagang ano rin siya, pang-almusal. Parang hindi ka masyadong bloated. Pag ano. Yun yung nasa hotel. Could be Ceylon tea. It could be na galing siya sa Sri Lanka. Kasi nga, Ceylon. Double peach. Coffee and tea. Sweet and learn. May mga Korean noodles din dito. Buldak cheese. And jjigae. What's jjigae? Jajang. Buldak. Buldak. And then ano? Sarap. And then coconut milk. Milo. There's carnation. Wow, passion fruit. Galing mo, may mga buto-buto doon sa loob ng bote. Dried guyabano.
Dried guyabano from the Philippines. I saw it from the highway.
May Cebu dried mangoes.
It's familiar,
Chili coated peanuts. Ito.
How to duck the
salted nuts. Stone Garden. Parang Thailand to. Hindi siya...
I want something, things na, na parang pwede mo isasalubong. Yung naka-individual pa. Like, parang mga ganyan. For them.
Okay.
Lang.
Itong chocolate niya. Ay, chocolate niya ba yan? Deluxe. Something.
Pag ba?
Kasi parang mga Thai yung iba. Sarap ng crunch ah. Gusto kong mag-crunch. Yeah, crunch. Ice cream.
Crunch.
Oo. Nakita mo?
Ice cream.
Chocolate wafer lang naman pala yung tinuro ko.
Yeah. Chocolate wafer.
Ang
You can
isa.
give anything.
Wala? Okay, sige. Check tayo sa iba. Yung dragon fruit, papaya. Thank you. How about yung Milano Mart? We can wear slippers? Thank you. Chocolate to. Made in Malaysia. Blueberry. Blueberry.
Is it individually wrapped? I don't think so. Oh, individually wrapped cookies.
Feeling ko din yun.
Ayun, 10 pieces. 10 pieces per.
You want?
Yeah, how much is that?
How much for the cookies?
35 $2.3.
$2.3. Thank you. $2.3.
Pwede na.
Mm-hmm.
No? You
Ito-
can try this
ito
one,
almond,
almond
oh.
roast. This
Ay,
is
may
chocolate.
chocolate na.
Tatawa.
Ay, pa nga may cappuccino eh.
Chocolate cake, individually wrapped. Parang masarap siya. Parang
Ah,
maganda
parang
siya.
masarap.
Yan, ganito yung hinahanap ko. Kasi you can give like maliliit lang. Should we get
Oo.
like
Ito almond, masarap. Tsaka yung choco.
choco delight, cappuccino?
Parang parehas. Yan.
So 30 pieces na yan.
Mhm. Ito choco, iniwan mo.
Ay,
Ako. Mga toiletries. Kailangan. Okay. Okay ka na ba dyan? Apat lang yata yung flavor na yun. butter. We have Maggie. Hot cup. Laksa. Oh, kimchi ramen.
Get one more flavor.
One more flavor.
Chocolate. That's nice.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate cake cookies. At tiramisu. What's the tiramisu? Ano the last one? Tiramisu.
Tatawa.
Is
Tiramisu
that
cookies.
individual also?
Ano ba to?
Hindi at.
Para mas okay to.
Yan na lang. Okay. So, okay yun naman.
This one, same price?
That all same price.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe I will pay na lang that using their currency. No? I have American na lang.
You have yung cash pa nung ano? Rupiah? Is it rupiah?
Yeah. I think I can.
Ah, Maldives. I love Maldives. Mango milk chocolate. This is the native.
Hmm?
Ayan, I love mango milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Pineapple, green tea. Banana. Green tea, white chocolate. That is like postcard na may kasamang chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay,
Is the dinner also expensive?
bagong pamili na naman. Walking tour, naging shopping tour. Ayan, mag-fishing sila. Oh. Later, may mga night fishing activities. Dinner shop. Pag dumiretso tayo, makita natin yung kabilang beach. Yun o, parang may heart na
Try it one. Bakit siya may nagsiset up ng mga ano?
Private.
Tsaka yung may favorite party sa gabi.
malalaman natin. Starting Prestige CV and Spa. Try ito.
तो बस ये लेते साढ़े का
Parang maganda rito, no?
Baka sila yung nagsiset up.
Ah, okay. Hello.
हेलो
Slippers?
ये फाड़म ना ना बैंकों से
Real shark. Shark fin. Your shark fin. Your favorite. I like how.
Hello. 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 Ayaw mo. Nagalit na siya.